Hey everyone, this is Lovely. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is going to be a decorating my home office. So I'm pretty excited to do this project in my place. And I've been wanting to have a home office, but I just don't know where to place it, and I just don't have a valid reason why would I do that. But since I'm working on an exciting project, so thought of, I think it's time for me to set up my home office. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Basically, this is where I'm planning to put it. This is like inside our bedroom, so it's a mess. So I already bought that desk from IKEA last April, and yeah, that's what I told you. I didn't know where to put it and stuff like that. And I'll be placing some apartment friendly wallpaper here, which is like, a stick on. You don't have to use glue or something like that. It's an easy what do you call this? It's an easy peel and stick wallpaper. So I got it from Amazon. I don't know if you see it. And I also got this one for $5. This is the wallpaper kit, something like that. So what I'm planning to do is to place the wallpaper on this wall. Probably in the middle, because that is our bathroom and that is our closet. And I just want to see if it looks better to just place it in the middle, or should I include the other side. So I am pretty excited, and these are like some of the decoration. This is a secret thing, that's why I put it there. So and here's my dog. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Kiss mommy. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Say hi. By the way, guys, thanks for joining me today, and yeah, let's get started.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing. And suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
Hey guys, so after 100 years, charat, maybe less than an hour, I'm gonna show you an update. Here you go. Isn't it pretty? It's a mess. I'm with Charlene on the phone, and yeah, let me show it to you.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name.
gonna show you guys the finished product. Here you go. See, that's what I got from Amazon. That's the light, a fall candle. I got this to remind myself that I got it. My computer, mouse pad, wireless mouse pad, and this one I got from Hobby Lobby. This is color black, but I colored it with gold. And here you go. I so love my little office, and let me know, guys, if you like this kind of video that I always vlog. And I'm so proud of myself. Just kidding. See, after almost 3 hours, I finally finished my home office. Then I can finally shoot a vlog here, edit my videos, and work on some stuff since I'm doing some project. Yeah, I am so happy with the outcome, and I hopefully I could maintain this office, but I'm glad. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below and don't forget to share. And once again, I really appreciate you guys for always supporting me, and I'm gonna say bye for now, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys, love you.